Alright, so the first thing to clean the carpet like a pro, what you want to do is come in the house, inspect it. So we already inspected it. Didn't need the vacuum. The client already has vacuum. Plus they moved out, so everything is all vacuum already. So now what I'm doing now is laying my pre-spray. And find a pre-spray of your desire you like to use. And this is my go-to here. I know I ain't saying no name, but it's okay. Yeah, but use carpet detail is what I'm using. Carpet detail. Alright, this next step is called agitation. So after we spray, it's time to agitate. And how we agitate, we actually use a multi-wash by the company called Powerfly. So there's a brush on the front and a brush on the back. As you can see, I started, it was hair. This hair built up on this carpet from the owner's having pets. So I'm gonna agitate and show you how this works. All right, this process is what you steam the carpet. And what I'll do, show you before and after.